Hey up, Simon here, and today we're diving into AI Affiliate Academy. So if you're curious about this brand new free affiliate marketing course for 2024 and whether or not it's worth your time, then you're definitely in the right place. So let's jump right in and we're going to find out what AI Affiliate Academy is. I'm going to show you inside the members area, and ultimately we're going to make a call on whether this is really going to help you make money online or not. Let's jump right in. Okay, so here we are on the AI Affiliate Academy homepage. And it promises to show you how to use artificial intelligence to generate automated affiliate commissions online. And it goes on to say our completely free and beginner-friendly AI affiliate marketing course uncovers cutting-edge methods and tools that you can use to generate automated affiliate commissions online. And it goes on to say it's obviously a course for beginners. You get access to high-paying affiliate programs to get those big-ticket commissions. Now, I've got to be honest, normally when I see words like automated, that would be a red flag for me. But in this case, like after going through the training, which I'm going to show you here in a minute, Dale is the guy behind AI Affiliate Academy. He's the trainer in the course. He's not promising like easy shortcuts or instant riches or anything like that. When he's talking about automated, he's talking about using the latest AI tools that we have available to us right now that are going to help streamline the entire business building affiliate marketing process so that you can see results a lot quicker. So yeah, it's not about like quick fixes or anything like that. It's about strategic use of the technology that we have so that you can be more efficient and smash your online goals in a shorter amount of time. So the next big question that I'm sure you're asking yourself is AI Affiliate Academy, is it really free, or is there some kind of hidden catch? Is it too good to be true? Like, what's going on here? Well, what I can say is yes, AI Affiliate Academy is a completely free step-by-step course. You can see on the sign up page there, all you need to do is just enter your email address and you'll get instant full access to the course. There's no credit card details required at any point, anything like that. There's no hidden upsells, no hidden charges, nothing like that. There are, however, some recommended AI tools that you might want to invest in as you're going through the course, just to kind of help get your business up and running. But of course, that is completely optional and up to you. But yeah, the training itself costs you absolutely nothing. All right, so now let me show you what's on the inside, and then we'll figure out, if you really can make money with this. So here we are inside the Fast Start training, building a thriving online business step by step and learn how to predictably skyrocket your income. So as you can see, this is Dale here, the founder and trainer of AI Affiliate Academy. And as you can see here, there's 10 quite in-depth lessons here. And he's going to walk you through the process of building an affiliate marketing business step by step. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it will all be explained in lesson 1. Or you can watch this video here where I give you a quick run through. But basically, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online because you're basically making money and making commissions by promoting other people's products and sales online. And so it's the simplest and most beginner friendly to make money online, absolutely. So he's going to walk you through that in lesson 1. Excuse me. In lesson 2, he's going to walk you through picking a topic. So choosing your favorite topic. Now, the amazing thing about affiliate marketing, which I think is a game changer, is you can choose a topic, a passion that you have, and turn that into a profitable online business. So it doesn't matter what you're interested in. There's an audience out there, there's products out there that you can make money with. So Dale's going to walk you through that as well. And because a lot of people do struggle with choosing a niche or a topic, so he'll show you how to use AI Affiliate Academy's AI tool as well. It's called the Niche Finder, which is going to kind of help you to come up with those ideas. So yeah, that's going to be really helpful for you. Then you're actually going ahead and launching your business, right? You're going to launch your website, you're going to launch your online brand and really get things going in lesson 3. In lesson 4, you're building on the foundation. And then lesson 5, he's finding profitable keywords. Dale's going to walk you through, okay, so you set up your business, you set up your website. How do you start getting people coming to the site, right? These potential customers that are going to be clicking on your affiliate links and generating sales and commissions for you. So he's going to talk you through how you create like a content creation strategy, a winning strategy that's going to get that traffic coming in daily. So you make those daily commissions. And then lesson 6 is a great lesson. Talking about how to leverage the power of AI, because we're in 2024, right? There's amazing AI tools out there, content creation tools. So he walks you through how to use a tool called Blogomatic, which just really like 10 times your productivity and your efficiency, so you can get more content out there, so you can get more traffic coming in, you can make more sales, and ultimately make more money as well. And then it is going through YouTube as well. He goes through a way that if you're worried about showing your face on YouTube, don't worry, because he's going to show you a way that you can actually automate the YouTube process and not just get traffic from Google and other search engines, but also YouTube as well. So that is pretty cool. Lesson 8 is tracking your progress. 9 is actually, so you've got your website, you've got your traffic, you've got people coming to your site now on a daily basis. Now it's time to make money by joining affiliate programs and adding your affiliate links to that content, where you make recommendations so that you make money every time someone clicks your link and buys. So there are over 550 million affiliate products online that you can promote, including Amazon. Amazon is a great way to make money with affiliate marketing. I actually made a whole video about how to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing as well, so feel free to check that out. But yeah, in AI Affiliate Academy, Dale's going to walk you through signing up to these affiliate programs, getting those links so that you can start making those sales. And of course, the last lesson is maximizing your profits. So, okay, once you've got the foundation laid, you've got, a steady stream of commissions coming in, how do you then take your income and your business to the next level to scale up your income, and smash those online income goals, whatever they may be? So yeah, I've been through the entire course. What I would say is Dale is very good at just explaining everything in a very easy to understand way, right? Remember, this is a course specifically designed for beginners. So, if you've never done anything like this before, you're completely new to online business, you've never made a dime online before, then AI Affiliate Academy, I would say, is a great course for you. It's a great option. And, as I say, affiliate marketing is a legit online business model. What I would add to that is there's lots of right ways to do affiliate marketing and a lot of wrong ways too. And what you're going to learn here is the right way to do affiliate marketing in a way that's going to be sustainable for the long term, right? That you're going to get consistent and steady income from. So yeah, I highly recommend it. If you sit on the fence about whether or not to join AI Affiliate Academy, I would say go for it. It's a completely free course. You have absolutely nothing to lose. Click the first link down in the description below to get started today and just take it lesson by lesson. Just go through it, take your time, don't rush, don't skip, take your time, go through it. There's a lot to learn, but I promise you, if you stick with it, all the different, pieces of the puzzle will come together and it will all start to make sense. And then you'll have a light bulb moment. Okay, now I understand how the process of making money online actually works. So yeah, that's the members area. There's also a cool, a few AI tools in there as well. But yeah, and let me show you one more thing too. So inside each lesson as well, in case you get stuck or you have any questions, Dale is, he's going to act as your guide, your mentor, your trainer. He's also available. So this is a brand new course just launched, but as you can see, there's already students in here asking questions, introducing themselves to the AI Affiliate Academy community. So yeah, each lesson comes with its own Q&A section, comment section. So if you ever get stuck, you need support along the way, there's a lot of support and help available for you as well. Okay, now let's jump straight to the pros and cons. So let's start with the biggest con really is going to be that there's a lot to learn, right? So you're going to be successful online by mastering income generating skills, and that's what you're going to be learning here in the course. So take your time with it. As I just said, don't skip, don't rush. Take your time, go through the lesson by lesson, and be patient with yourself too, because it can take time to develop those skills and then to put those into practice, right? So your first attempt might not be the best, but stick with it and you always get better with practice. I would say the 3 biggest pros of AI Affiliate Academy. Number 1 is cutting edge tools. As I said, we live in amazing times. Even just in the last 12 months, the development of AI is just absolutely mind-blowing. So, what used to take a week or a month to do, you can now do in a fraction of the time, just because of the amazing AI tools that we have available to us right now. So as you go through the course, you're getting access to these cutting edge AI tools that, as I say, they're going to streamline the whole process, just boost your productivity and just, help you see results that much faster, which is phenomenal. Second biggest pro, I would say, is it's completely beginner friendly. It's actually designed for beginners like you. So it's designed for newbies and it breaks down all of the complex concepts and all of the, it's not overly technical or anything like that. It breaks it all down in easily digestible bite-sized chunks. And last but not least, stating the obvious here, but remember this is an absolutely 100% free course, which I think is amazing. I've seen courses out there like this that you would pay hundreds of dollars for, like seriously. So I think the fact that Dale is offering this as a completely free course, I think is really, really good. And it's going to give you a really solid start. It's going to give you a solid understanding of how the basics work, an overview of how the whole process works, and then you can actually put it into practice, follow the step-by-step over-the-shoulder training, and create an online business of your very own, which is pretty cool. All right, so it's decision time. Should you actually go ahead, take that step of faith and join AI Affiliate Academy? Well, what I can tell you is this, like if you follow the training as it's laid out here and you take action on it, then you are going to see results. It's as simple as that. I've been doing affiliate marketing for over a decade now, and I've done it many times over. I've made 6 figures doing it, and so this is the real value really of what you're getting here. The process as it's laid out really works, and if you apply yourself to it, then you're going to become a great online success. So remember, as I said in the beginning, there are ways to automate your business and streamline, amazing tools out there to streamline the whole process and help you see results quicker, but there's nothing kind of automatic about this. You're still going to be the one who's going through the training, learning the skills, and actually putting into practice what you're learning. It's your online business and you're the one that's going to be building it. So just keep that in mind. Be willing to put in the work, be willing to apply the lessons, and I really think you can do well. But I would say don't join AI Affiliate Academy if you are thinking that it's kind of some kind of shortcut to riches or anything like that. You're building a real online business here. That's going to take work, it's going to take time, but at least now you have, with AI Affiliate Academy, you have a blueprint, a roadmap that you can follow to get to where you want to be. And I can tell you from my experience, that just having the right tools at your disposal really makes a world of difference. And AI Affiliate Academy is packed with them. So if you're ready, to smash your online income goals, to take that step and build your very first online business, don't forget to click that link below down in the description and just get started right now. I promise you will not regret it. So there you have it, guys. I hope you found this AI Affiliate Academy review helpful. And of course, if you have any questions about AI Affiliate Academy or any other affiliate marketing course out there, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out. All right, until next time, cheers.